Hello! This is a cover of Photograph by Ed Sheeran. Ayan, sana magustuhan nyo. Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We make these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts are never broken, time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. Won't ever be alone. Wait for me, come home. Loving can heal. Loving can mend your soul. And it's the only thing that I know. I'm sure it will get easier, but remember that it's never a piece of you. And it's the only thing filled with us without. We give this love in a photograph. We make these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts forever broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till the rise meet. You won't ever be alone. And if you hurt me, that's okay, baby. Will be words deep inside these pages. You just hold me, and I won't ever let you go. Wait for me, come home. 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 And you can breathe me inside the next that you got when you were 16, next to your heart, but where I should be. Keep it deep within your soul. And if you hurt me, that's okay, baby. Only words deep inside the pages. You just hold me. I won't ever let you go. When I'm away, I will remember how you kissed me under the lamppost back on 6th Street, hearing you whisper through the phone, wait for me, come home.